Hello, parents. Hope you are all maintaining your safety protocols and getting vaccinations done for those who are eligible against COVID, because we know that these are the currently two measures which can help protect our humanity against this deadly virus. We know that this is on the rise and it will keep on continuing for several years to come. So, to relate with this topic, I shall be speaking on immunization in children. And since it is the World Immunization Week, and since COVID is going on its full strength, this topic becomes even more relevant. I shall be speaking a few things regarding why is routine immunization continuation necessary for kids during this pandemic. I shall be speaking a few things and onto where you can get these vaccinations done and how you can ensure a safe vaccination process done for your kids amongst this pandemic. First, I must tell you that why should we still continue the routine vaccinations when the pandemic is still on the full blow. Now you must know that it has taken lots of years and a huge vaccination campaign to get these diseases under control. So if we break the chain of vaccination, then these diseases will start growing. And we are already fighting with one pandemic. We'll fight with several other pandemics and there will be a huge loss to the human society. So please do not stop your kids' routine vaccinations during this period of pandemic. Now the second thing is, what are the immunization schedules which are followed in our country and where to get these? Now these are collaborated into basically two areas. One is a government facility and one is a private facility. So if you are getting your babies vaccinated from government facility, you will be getting vaccinations as per the national immunization schedule. And in addition to that, because since government is not yet being able to provide all the relevant vaccines to entire population of our country, so in addition to that, a few other recommended vaccines are also available, and they are currently, you can find a recommendation of these in the immunization schedule for kids 0 to 18 years of age, which has been released by Indian Academy of Pediatrics in the year 2020 and 2021. So there are certain extra vaccines which we would definitely ask you to get also for your kids, because as you are already aware that vaccines are one of the major areas how you can protect your babies. Now it comes how to get a safe vaccination amongst this pandemic. Now this is the biggest question which you will be asking, that okay, you are asking us to get the vaccines, but your OPDs will be full of other patients also. Yes, fair enough. So there are several techniques which several hospitals and individual consultants are practicing. For example, some people are practicing that they don't see a routine immunization or a non-infective baby with an infective baby. So they will be seeing a baby with a fever or whatever in a separate room or a separate area which is designated for flu patients or fever patients or suspected COVID patients, so that these kids do not mingle with general kids, because we know that the COVID is also spreading amongst kids. So any baby with fever can well be a COVID patient, and that may spread to the other babies also. So this segregation between a fever baby and a non-fever routine immunization baby, many areas are doing it. Second, several people, what they are doing is that once babies are asking that they are having fever, what we are asking that get a COVID test done. If the COVID test is positive, then we are giving them online consultation, and they are staying at home, and so that they are not they are not coming out into the society. And if they are coming negative, then that's a non-COVID fever that can well come. So several hospitals are doing, and I would say most of the hospitals and consultants are taking well precautions, so that if you are coming for a routine immunization of your baby, you are in no way exposed to COVID. But having said that, it is not only the responsibility of the hospital or the consultant. You yourself, parents, have a major responsibility. You yourselves have to follow two important principles. First thing, if there is a COVID patient in your family currently, or if someone is having fever in your family, do not hide this fact please let your pediatrician know, so that he can, if required to vaccinate your baby, can do accordingly. And the second important thing, whenever you are coming into facilities, maintain all these safety protocols so that you are not unnecessarily exposed, and maintain them for your kids also, so that they are also not unnecessarily exposed to COVID. With this, I would urge that all of you must continue the routine vaccinations of your kids during this period, and let us celebrate World Immunization Week with this thought, and let us hope that we can conquer COVID very soon. Thank you.